Fish on, baby. Look out in front of me. There's a school of reds or something right along there. Maybe jacks, I don't know. But this is what we've been waiting for. I've been looking for this all day. This is awesome. You ready, babe? That's awesome, man. Right on. We might be on some Jack Crevalle. I don't know, man. Hopefully it's a red school of reds. All right. All right, come up here, sweetheart. All right, where are they at? Where are they at?
That way.
Okay. We're getting up on them. My trolling motor is almost dead, so this is probably going to be our last run of the day. I know. Wow, wow. That's awesome. Trolling motor can't keep up with it. Oh, fish on, fish on. Oh, oh. Broke line. Oh, look at that blow up. Wow. Did you really?
Yeah.
Hold on, I'm gonna try to get on one. Throw it out there again.
I'm out.
There we go. I'm on one, baby. Throw it in front of me, though. He's running good. Yeah, cast again. Cast again. Straight as hard as you can. There you go, just like that. Oh, wow, he is a strong one. Double hang up, baby. Come on. Oh, he's running to me. He's running to me. Did I lose him? Broke line. Oh, yeah. I got a 20-pound test this time. Last time was a 17-pound test. I lost a jack. I almost had him at the boat. So when you're gonna have to go at his nose. If I'm going left to right in front of his nose, and I'm gonna guide him in. Oh, dude, he is. Oh, good night. Whew, my thumbs are burning. Yeah, he's a good one. Dang, I gotta get you on these, babe.
It's okay.
Got the best helper around, though. Oh yeah, he's gonna get tired here in a minute. Oh, he's running. Come on, man. I'm holding it with my thumb because my drag. I'm gonna have to go to the back of the boat here in a minute. Yeah, you're gonna have to. Sorry, don't want to lose him. Ah, yeah. Oh. Ah. Oh, yeah. These are Jack. This is a Jack Crevalle, I bet. You sure those are redfish?
I saw red.
Okay. He's acting like a jack. We might be here a while. Ooh, doggy. Feel like Jimmy. Man, I want you to have this one, babe. But I wanted to make sure we got him. We might still be lucky, though. We might still see some stuff blowing up. And he is fighting hard. He's not going. He's tailing down. He's going down in the water right now as I'm doing this. This is nice. This is nice. I want to land this bad boy. They might be gone for good, babe. I don't know. That's good right there. Oh yeah, he's fighting. And Dirty Bay tournament count or live action right here? Best live action footage. don't know, we've been on this a while. I think I'm on a Jack Crevalle out here in Texas City. He's something else. Yeah. It's probably gonna, line's fixing to break. I have a feeling. I mean, this is a monster. He is a monster. He's a monster. Get a close up of that fish sticks rod just bent over right there, sweetheart. Look at that. I mean, he is strong. All right, so still up on this. It definitely is a Jack Crevalle. There's some birds working over there still. I was hoping to bring this in a lot faster so my wife can get on one, but I'm not sure. I'm not sure if the line's going to break or not. Live Action Jackson on a 17-pound test mono was able to pull one in, and I wasn't last time on one of my YouTube videos, but I'm hoping for redemption. Huge live action. All right, so I'm gonna try to muscle him in. Oh, you can put it on my head now, the deal. I'm gonna try to muscle it in so we can get the footage of hopefully he's a red, but he's acting like a Jack. All right, I'm gonna go to the back of the boat, baby. He's acting like a Jack, but he may be a huge red. I don't know, but it's time to muscle this bad boy in. Time to muscle this bad boy in. Oh, he's giving me a workout for sure. Giving me a workout for sure. Man, them blow-ups. I hope you guys got to see. Normally when you're up on a fish, you don't have to hold a medium rod like I'm holding like this. It's like I'm in an offshore fishing rod trying to catch an offshore fish, but we're in Galveston Bay right now, guys, over in Texas City Dikes. We were just about to call it a day, and we were skunked. And I said, you know, me and the wife saw the, ooh, sounds like fiddles playing. Ding, ding, ding. You hear that? Oh, don't break. Okay. He went for another dive. Come on, if I lose him, he better come up out of the water for y'all to see at least. He better come up out of the water for y'all to see. All right, so look, I'm gonna let you hold on to this. You're gonna have to put your thumb on it because it's gonna spin on you, okay? Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. I want you to feel what this feels like, okay?
I don't know if I can hold it.
You're gonna have to put your thumb hard right there. See, I don't want to lose it. You don't want to lose it, okay. I was gonna try to let the wife feel what it's like. There's no way. Oh, there it goes, it broke. It broke, guys. Wow, it broke, guys. Wow, that definitely was a Jack Crevalle. Snap mine again. Snapping my lines. Yeah. I'm on one.
You're on me. You're on me.
Oh, sorry. Me and my wife is freaking having fun. She's on one. Yeah, there you go, babe.
Oh, son of a
gun.
biscuit.
Yeah, I know. Oh, we're still. That was awesome. We're getting a little excited and hanging up on stuff. All right, I think I'm fixing to get hung up right here. Come on, baby, right there. Oh yeah, there we go, baby. Yeah, oh yeah. Oh, he's a beast. He's a beast. Get one, babe. Double hang up. This will be live action right here. Woo. Pop it. Keep popping them. Keep popping it. Oh, you hear that drag? That drag's a beast. Come on, baby. Oh, snap my line. Snap my line. Well, we gonna keep after him till I don't have any jig heads left or something. They are huge, man. Huge. How far out? Are they close? All right. Man, I tell you what, I'm gonna have a 30-pound braid for sure. I usually have a fluorocarbon leader. It was already broke off, so I didn't have a chance to make my fluorocarbon leader again. They might be right here to the left too, babe. Look, I'm taking my chances with the birds. What's up, guys? We are about to head back. We kept saying one last run, and we kept finding the school of fish, breaking off our lines. How many lines did you break off, babe?
2, I know for sure.
Yeah, so we were getting excited. We both hung up on one at the same time, or both hung up on a fish, and ended up both breaking off and losing it. But it was a fun trip. We chased these school of fish, thinking they're jacks, but then again, we think we come across a school of reds too. Ran all day with my trolling motor battery died, and was forced to try to use my motor to get us on the fish, so that's the reason why I'm probably not so successful. But about 6 jig heads later, it was every one of them was a good fight. So we had a good day. I think it was a good, fun, productive day, and some great live action. So y'all have a good one. Tight lines, and God bless.